Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 patio umbrella with push buttons of 2021. The list starts from Sunnyglade 7.5 patio umbrella outdoor table market umbrella with push button tilt crank, 6. It's lightweight aluminum poles, unscrew at middle for easy and compact storage, in prevention of rust and lighter than the steel center pole umbrella, easy for operation. It's push button tilt for more angles, tilt with push button for more angles of shading, crank handle for easy opening and closing, air vented at the top, cool, and can withstand sudden gust. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Blissun 7.5 feet patio umbrella, yard umbrella push button tilt crank, Blue&White. It's tilt, push button tilt to keep the sun at your back. It's stable 8 aluminum ribs for extra strength and powder-coated aluminum pole that resists wind better. Note: due to monitor variations, colors may appear slightly different. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Blissun 9 feet patio umbrella, manual push button tilt and crank garden parasol. It's 100% fabric polyester, waterproof, 98% of protection, high quality material, can be used for many years. Air vented canopy at the top designed for airflow and prevent from inversion. Its rust-free powder-coated aluminum pole and steel ribs provides superior strength support that resists wind better. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one, Purple Leaf 9 feet solar-powered LED-lighted patio umbrella with push button. It's premium material, water and dove-resistant 180 grams polyester fabric, and a rust-resistant steel frame for maximum durability. It's single wind vent. Dual-purpose wind vent promotes extra stability by allowing cool air to smoothly pass through the umbrella. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Best Choice Products 10 feet outdoor steel market patio umbrella with crank, ribs button tilt. It's rust-free powder-coated pole. The pole diameter is 1.5 and provides superior support and durability. Its wide shade canopy. The canopy is 9 feet and ideal for both residential and commercial spaces. The diameter easily serves shade to a 42-54 round, square or rectangle table with room for 4 to 6 chairs. Built extra strong for freestanding use with a heavier base. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Abba Patio outdoor patio umbrella 9 feet aluminum market table umbrella with push button. It's 100% post-consumer recycled polyester fabric, fade resistant, water repellent, of protection. Solution dyed polyester tested for a minimum of 1,000 hours of colorlessness.